Okay. Oh, focus. Focus now. Anyway, so I'm at the bus stop waiting for my bus. It's about like 6 o'clock in the morning, and not about 5 or 6. Sorry, I'm like zoning out. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning because I woke up at 5:20, and I'm just making sure my bus not coming. I don't know what that is. Anyway, so I'm on my way to my first shop, which is the coffee house shop, and as you can see, my lovely attire. I'm like ready. I'm just wearing comfortable clothes. Okay, so this is round 2. I actually have to use my hand. I thought I left my wallet. Apparently I didn't leave my wallet because it was in my bag. So I walked all the way back home for no reason. Goodbye. So I'm at the bus stop and I still have to wait for our next bus. It's gonna take like 15 minutes, so I'm kind of upset with myself right now.
But you supporting your passion, but you don't feel like it's happening because it's the hood that we trapped in.
Alright, what's your name?
Midas.
Midas?
Midas.
It's nice to meet you.
Midas the kid.
Alright, thank you. Alright, I'm on my way home right now. Okay, I just want to make sure. I'm using my phone. It's so dead here that I don't have anything to do, so. Oh, I got this way. It was a false alarm. I'll show you.